fall descended on the dry backcountry aspens. It could be any time now that the bulls start bugling. I watch the pack mule panniers, see the loads are riding even. Is it in my mind, or did I finally hear one sing? It's been 10 years since I first came to the mountains with my father. A half pint in each saddlebag and stars in both my eyes. I don't miss the taste of liquor or really anything about it, but the temporary shelter was a welcome compromise. Oh, friend, I'm gonna ride out of the rut I'm in. A little elevation and an open-ended prayer. Holding out for more than breaking even. I've come back to the mountains and they're all still standing there. The bull had come in tight and he was screaming.
What'd you do, Cap? You shot a bull, big yelling. Good job, Cap. It's gonna be a late night.
Breathing as he will, with tomorrow full of promise. I just lived there in the moment, hunted back toward camp for enough grouse to make a meal. Oh, friend, I'm gonna ride out of the rut I'm in. A little elevation and an open-ended prayer. Holding out for more than breaking even. Well, I've come back to the mountains and they're all still standing there. Oh, friend, I'm gonna ride out of the rut I'm in. A little elevation and an open-ended prayer. Oh.
Congratulations. We know you would have, but I would have given you to be there, dude. It was,
That's the one thing.
we had a hard time up there without you. It wasn't the same.
That's the one thing that we've talked about the whole time.